Hey YouTubers, more Robb Moffett. Guys, thought we'd do a quick review of something new I've been making with my little Hostess Twinkie maker. I purchased one of these silicone mats so I could make pie dough on my little tiny counter space I have here. And I made some pie dough and put into the Twinkie maker last night. And then I used a can of cherry filling and made 6 little pies for 7 minutes. And very difficult for them to get out, so you have to put a plate on it and turn it upside down and have them come out. And this is what they look like. They've been in the refrigerator all night long. Make nice little cherry pie deals, and I haven't seen anybody else do that. And kind of fun, tasty, really inexpensive, very quick. And you just have to get a plate, turn it over, and they fall out, and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Let them get hard and not fall apart on you. And they make really super inexpensive, quick desserts in the Twinkie maker. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.